Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for my swaps, for my little meeting with the girls who live on my side of town. So we get together every other month or so and we swap. And this time we swap things that are in the new catalog that's going to be coming out September 4th. So if you have ordered from me, you've already received the new catalog. I cannot wait to show you the new catalog. But let's go ahead and I'm going to show you my swap. I decided to do a little individual, kind of like a travel notebook, but a place for them to put their Christmas lists and things that they have bought that they can tuck away in their purse using the new DSP and some copy paper. If you'd like me to show you how to do a travel notebook, let me know. I will do a video for you. So this one was mine using the DSP, the plaid, I don't know the name of it. It's the plaid Christmas tree called Perfectly Plaid. And then some more DSP, and there's a punch. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to show you everything in the catalog. You're going to love it. So stick around because I'm going to do a giveaway on one of these. One of you guys will be able to enter for a chance to win that. And let's go ahead and show you everybody else's stuff. So again, here's that punch, and look at with the red glimmer paper. We've got some little sequins. So cute. And then it opens up, and check this out. Isn't that super cute? Look at really, really adorable little fun fold there. And then we've got this one here. And the person who made this is Sandy. And then her sister Patty made this one. And that one uses the little Christmas ornaments, and there's a punch for those as well. Love it. You guys, if there's no names on here, then I may not know who did them. We've got this one here, which is a cup of cheer. You guys, can you believe this cup is coming out in the new catalog? This is how you get a sneak peek because of the swaps. As a demonstrator, we get to order. We were able to start ordering in August. So this month we were able to start ordering. And as a customer, you guys get to order in September. So we've been playing with it for a little under a month now. We've got that. I absolutely love this little guy here, that little snowman. Great card, great colors. If you've been with me for any length of time, you know that I love the red and the well, it's Pool Party, but I call it Tiffany Blue. This one is done by Jean. So cute. And then you guys look at that. A new coffee cup. And that is also a fun fold. And there is not a name on this one either, but very cute. And then you guys, I had to save this one for last because it is the new casket boxes that you can buy these. Oh my goodness, look at those little spiders there with the glimmer paper. And she put like the wood 3D, and then cut out this wicked with a die. And then you guys, what's inside? Oh, of course, candy. There's Reese's, there's some Kit Kats, and there's a lovely little kiss as well. Look at the kisses have spider webs. So cute. But I'll tell you what, you guys, these glow in the dark. This little Reese's outline glows in the dark, and the same with this Kit Kat. So nice. I'm going to just leave the candy out. We'll just close up the box. So we've got all of this. You guys, that special is still going on. if you wanted to sign up. We only have until August 31st, so what is it? About 3 more days where you can sign up if you want to. Go right here, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. Click on Join the Fun. I'd love to have you on my team. We have had 3 new team members this month, which is awesome. But that means I still have 2 of the giveaways that are from me directly. So feel free to sign up. $99. You get $165 worth of stuff, plus another $20 worth of stuff from me. Plus, you get to do my online classes for free. So that's a $50 savings each month. So, all right, beauties. I hope you enjoy looking at these swaps. Tell me which one your favorite one is, and let me go ahead and do this giveaway. So if you would like a chance to win this little guy, just put a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite card is. It's that easy. It's not hard at all. So I will go ahead and choose a winner. I'll probably do it on Friday, so it gives you a couple days. So well, you know what we'll do? We'll do the end of the month. How about that? August 31st. So you have to get these in before August 31st, and then I'll randomly pick a winner and mail this off to you. All right, beauties, let me know if you want me to show you how to make these. I would love to. And you guys have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. I'm off to the Heart concert, and I'm going to go with who else? Joan Jett and Ellie King. So I will be having a fun-filled night, but I will make sure I get this up for you to watch, and make sure you give me those thumbs ups. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.